Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, thank you for coming back and for always returning and watching me. Just a quick reminder that your feeds may be back to normal, your Instagram feeds, your Facebook feeds and all that stuff, but Black Lives Matter is not over. The movement is still going on. We are still fighting a fight, just so you know. Alright, so let's get into this video. So, just so you know, this is not, I repeat, this is not intended to be a makeup tutorial. I tried one before and it didn't really go well. So, this is not a makeup tutorial. Instead, this is I just wanted to try a look. So, this is the look that I wanted to try, and I wanted to see how close I could get to it. So, let's get started. So first things first, I have my mirror here. I don't want to show you because I'll just put the link to it. But I have my mirror here for my light so that I can see what's going on. I'm going to be looking at the mirror, so if I'm looking away, that's what I'm going to be doing because I need to see what I'm doing. So first things first, my face is clean. I cleaned it with my H2O foaming cleanser. Yes. Alright, I'm going to take out my glasses because I can't do makeup with my glasses on. And I'm going to start off with my TARTE Quench Hydrating Primer. This is it. I'm also going for my eyes. I'm going to use my Revlon eye primer and eye brightener. It's called specifically Revlon PhotoReady. So this I use to prime my eyes. I'm going to start off doing my eyebrows. I'm going to comb them in the shape that I want it to look. Since quarantine, I really haven't gotten to go do my eyebrows and I don't know how to do it myself. I told myself I was going to try, but I don't want to rip my eyebrows off. This is the NYX Eyebrow Gel Professional Makeup. It is black. Next, I'm just gonna put a little concealer. I have for my concealer, I have Juvia's Place concealer. This is shade 12. So now I'm going to do my eyeshadow first. So I put I do put concealer on my eyes. Okay, so for my eyeshadow, I'm going to start off with, I'm going to be using the Saharan 2 by Juvia's Place. And I'm also going to be using Nomad. So the first thing I'm going to base my eyes with Taza, which is like a burnt orange. So next I'm going to use the Nomad, which is like a dark blue. I'm sorry. Next I'm going to use the Nomad, which is like a dark blue. I'm sorry. I'm like pointing it at the camera when I should be pointing it at I'm pointing at the mirror and I should be pointing it at the camera. So this I'm going to put like on my crease, like to the top. So I'm going to go back in with this brush and just like blend it. I feel like they're not even, but okay, I can fix that later. Alright, so now I'm going to go back with Saharan 2 and I'm going to use Berber to like give it that sparkle. Cleaning up that area. Usually I know that in the actual picture that she goes under her eyelids, I try not to do that because I don't like how it looks on me, so I just keep it up top. So yes. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with eyeliner, and for my eyeliner I'm also using Nubia's Place. So first I'm going to go in with brown. No, never mind, I'm not. I'm just going to go with black because I already opened it. This is called the Saharan Gel Eyeliner. Alright, so eyes are almost done. We're going to go in with a mascara. This is the pink Volumizer mascara. Alright, so eyes are complete. So now I'm going to go in and do my face. So I also use concealer on my face. I actually just started doing this. So I'm going to put blend that in. So for my foundation, I also use Juvia's Place. This is called the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. This is, the shade of this is Togo. So I put foundation on my face and everything, so now I'm going to finish it off with my setting powder. And for my setting powder, I have Fenty Beauty setting powder. This is the Pro Filt'r setting powder. It is nutmeg. So I put on my finishing powder, so my face is complete. Now I'm going to put on highlighter, and the highlighter that I am using is Juvia's Place, the Nubian by the Juvia's, and this is loose highlighter, and it is called the Nubia. So I don't really put on highlighter, and when I do, it doesn't come out very good or how I want it. So if it looks weird, don't worry about it. I'm home. I feel like one side came out better than the other side. I don't know. I think it looks fine. I mean, it's not even on both sides, unfortunately, but it'll do. Usually I put it, if I'm going out, I also put it on my collarbone also. I tried to put some on my nose, but that didn't really work out the way I wanted it to. So, alright. So the last step is lipstick, and for my lipstick I'm going to use ColourPop Ultra Matte. This shade is called LIMBO. So it's like a brown color. And I'm going to line it with Currant lip liner from MAC. Alright, so this is the look. All the products that I use will be listed below. Even some brushes that I use, I'll also list them below if I can find them. But yeah, let me know what you think. Like I said, this is not a makeup tutorial. I was just trying something. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you like the eyeshadow, if you like the highlighter, whatever you like. Let me know if I did a good job. I didn't do as great as the picture. I'll show you the picture again. But it's something. So thanks for watching. So yeah, bye.